What kind of a question is that? This is a different format, different time. As usual, as cricketers, we know there will be ups and downs, and I have faced a lot in my career. So this is nothing new to me. We know every day is a fresh day. Every series is a fresh series. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the challenge. Not looking at what has happened in the past. Um, Clearly, you don't. So obviously, for me also, there is no reason to look behind too much. A lot of good things has happened as well. So it's important that I focus on what is coming up and what lies ahead for me. It is as simple as that. Look to try and start the series on a high. Let's see what happens.
Thank you. Question is on Varun included in this ODI squad.
Yeah.
It's something like after middle over the wicket period, because with Bumrah not here, looking at someone who can get that breakthrough in the middle over. Is this the idea behind it, and will we see if Varun will do well in this series as well? Will there be a dilemma taking to the Champions Trophy as well?
Yeah, look, I mean, he's certainly shown something different. I understand that it is a T20 format, but he's clearly got something different about him. So we just wanted to have an option and see what we can do with him. Clearly, during the series, it presents us an opportunity to play him at some stage and see what he's capable of. Right now, we are not thinking about whether we're going to take him or not, but definitely he will be in contention if things plans out really well for us and he does what is required. Then definitely there is something that we need to think about.
रोहित, तो मेरा सवाल टीम बिल्डिंग प्रोसेस से लेके मेरे दो सवाल हैं। पहला सवाल है, क्या आप इंडिया की जो पेस बॉलिंग अटैक है उससे आप संतुष्ट हैं जो नए बॉलर्स आएंगे, क्योंकि मोहम्मद शमी को टीम में ऐड किया गया और हालिया उनका जो डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट परफॉर्मेंस उतना अच्छा नहीं रहा है। और दूसरा सवाल मेरा ये है, जैसे अपने पास जो बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर्स है, जैसे पेस बॉलिंग ऑलराउंडर पंड्या, हार्दिक पंड्या हो गए, पिछले वर्ल्ड कप में वो घायल हो गए थे तो उनकी जगह में हमने प्रसिद्धि कृष्णा को टीम में शामिल किया। तो ये जो पेस अटैक ऑलराउंडर है वो मुझे लगता है कि टीम इंडिया में हार्दिक पांड्या का अभी आपके पास क्या ऑप्शन है कि अगर खुदा ना खास्ता कि हार्दिक पांड्या फिर से कई चोटिल हो जाते हैं तो आप किसको अभी अपने आंखों के सामने देखते हैं कि हार्दिक को रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? और जो प्रोसेस जो है, मेरा सवाल है प्रोसेस आपके दिमाग में क्या चल?
जब होएगा तब देखेंगे। अभी से सोच के क्या नेगेटिव क्यों सोचना है कि घायल हो जाएंगे, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा। सिलेक्टर्स के दिमाग में, हमारे दिमाग में चीज़ें हैं, वो मैं अभी इधर नहीं बता सकता हूँ, बट है, चीज़ें हैं। हमने वर्ल्ड कप भी खेला जब वो इंजर्ड हो गए, वो तीसरे या चौथे मैच में इंजर्ड हो गए थे। उसके बाद हमने पूरा टूर्नामेंट खेला, हालांकि फाइनल हार गए, बट फाइनल तक अच्छा क्रिकेट खेले। तो अभी इस चीज़ पे मैं गौर नहीं करूँगा कि घायल हो जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा। आई थिंक अभी अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलते आ रहे हैं वो, तो हम होप करेंगे कि अच्छा क्रिकेट आगे भी खेलते रहे और कुछ ना हो। आप भी ऐसे ही सोचो ज़रा कि घायल ना हो, बल्कि 100% फिट रहे। और आपका शमी को लेके जो सवाल था, देखिए उन्होंने 1 या 1.5 साल से क्रिकेट खेला नहीं है, तो इतना जल्दी स्टार्ट मत करिए जज करना प्लेयरों को। वो अब लड़के ने पिछले 10-12 साल से क्रिकेट खेल रहा है, टीम के लिए परफॉर्मेंस किया है। अब वर्ल्ड कप ही उठा के देख लो उन्होंने किस तरीके से बॉलिंग किया है। तो अभी डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट में अगर थोड़े मैचेस जैसे उनको चाहिए वैसे नहीं गए, तो इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि बॉलर ख़राब है। उन्होंने इतना बॉलिंग किया है, इतने विकेट्स लिए, इतने मैचेस जीता है। तो ये सब चीज़ सोचा करो। सोचना हम लोग के लिए नहीं, आप लोग के लिए भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ देखते हैं कि हाल ही में क्या हुआ है, बट ये नहीं देखते कि लंबे समय तक बंदे ने क्या किया है। हमारा थोड़ा मेमोरी शॉर्ट टर्म ही है, हम ज़्यादा सोचते नहीं कि आगे पिछले सालों में क्या किया है, 6-8 महीने के पहले क्या किया है। हमें सिर्फ दिखता है कि अभी पिछले हाल ही में क्या हुआ है, पिछले सीरीज़ में क्या हुआ है। वर्ल्ड कप में सबको ही पता है कि उन्होंने किस तरीके से बॉलिंग किया था, सिंगल हैंडली मैचेस जीता है, 5-5 विकेट लिए। तो ऐसे बंदों का अगर 1-2 मैच या 1-2 सीरीज़ खराब होता है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि प्लेयर खराब हो गया।
Rohit, here Rahul kept wickets. He was in middle order through the World Cup. Is it going into the next the upcoming one-day season? Is still the number one keeper batter in the side? What sort of role will Rishabh Pant you see him playing in the next league? And also, if you can provide an update on Jasprit Bumrah, where he stands.
Look, obviously KL has been keeping wickets for us in the ODI format for a number of years now, and he's done pretty well. If you look at the last 10-15 ODIs, he's done exactly what the team required him to do. Rishabh as well, he's there. We've got a option of playing either one of them. Both are quite capable of winning games on their own. So it's a good headache to have whether to play KL or Rishabh. But obviously, looking at what we have done in the past, having that continuity is also very important for us. So that is where we stand as a team, with KL and Rishabh. Look, Jasprit, obviously we are waiting on some update about his scan and stuff, which was due to happen in the next few days. Once we get that scan, we'll be able to give you a more clarity on where he stands right now.
Yeah. You played just 3 ODIs last year, but since the World Cup, the kind of approach the team and you took in the power play as well, is that something you would want to pick up from where you left in the World Cup and continue from here on to the Champions Trophy? The planning for that, the template the team wants to.
Look, there is certain type of cricket that we want to play, certain brand of cricket we want to play, and whether it means whether we have to go and do what we did in the World Cup, we will try and do that. But again, look, World Cup was 1.5 years back, so clearly we need to regroup as a group now and think about what we need to do here. Obviously, there is a lot of experience in the squad, so you can't keep telling them exactly how you need to prepare for every series. They understand what is expected out of the team. So there's not much talking about what kind of approach we want to have. These guys know exactly what is required of each one of us. So it's just about coming together now, because it's been a while since we played this format. So it's just about coming together and trying to do where we left during the World Cup. If it takes a little bit of time, so be it. It's not easy to start what we did in the World Cup. As I said, World Cup was 1.5 years ago. So we need to try and think about what we need to do here now and start fresh.
Just to add on the Bumrah question, he was initially supposed to, if he's fit, he'll play the third ODI, but the squad list that we got yesterday didn't feature his name. So can you just clarify that is he still, there's a chance of him playing the third game?
Look, I just said we're just waiting on that update, which is going to happen in the next few days, the scan, and then probably we'll have a little more of clarity about his participation in the last ODI.
Hello Rohit. So there was this report that has been going on today that you've been asked to clarify your future plans after the Champions Trophy. I wanted to know, is there any truth in that, if you could shed light on it?
How is it relevant that I talk about my future plans sitting here, where we have 3 ODIs and Champions Trophy coming in? The reports are going on for a number of years, but I'm not here to clarify those reports. For me right now, these 3 games here and then the Champions Trophy is very, very important. So my focus is on these games. We'll see what happens after.
Any more questions? Sir, last.
हेलो रोहित। रोहित, आपका नागपुर से बहुत स्पेशल रिलेशन है, आप यहीं पैदा हुए हैं, तो हाउ मच यू आर एक्साइटेड टू प्ले अगेन इन नागपुर फॉर द 4th टाइम? इन्वॉल्व?
नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल, मैं जब भी यहाँ पे आता हूँ तो बड़ी खुशी होती है मुझे, और काफ़ी कुछ यादें हैं यहाँ पर। जब मैं छोटा था, 1 साल का था, मुझे तो याद नहीं है, बट जो फ़ोटोज़ में देखता हूँ अपने बचपन की, तो काफ़ी कुछ यहाँ पे हमने किया हुआ है। अभी भी मेरे रिलेटिव्स यहाँ पे रहते हैं, तो अच्छा लगता है। अभी काफ़ी टाइम, काफ़ी समय के बाद हम खेल रहे हैं। हमने 2023 में टेस्ट मैच खेला था ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सामने, उसके बाद अभी खेल रहे हैं। तो जब भी यहाँ पर आता हूँ अच्छा लगता है। होपफुली एक और अच्छा मेमोरी हम यहाँ पर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं।